Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about simple algebraic expressions and how to combine like terms and evaluate expressions. Algebraic expressions are expressions that contain variables and constants. It includes at least one variable and at least one operation. It may be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. An algebraic expression is made up of terms. Terms are the separate value in an expression. Each term can be a variable, a number and a variable, or a number and many variables with or without exponents. Some terms are numbers only. These are called constants or numbers that don't change. Others have variables or letters that represent an unknown or changing number, and some have variables and numbers mashed together, in which case the numbers are called coefficients. An example of an algebraic expression is 5x minus 3, in which 5x and negative 3 are the two terms in these expressions. 3 is the constant, 5 is the coefficient, and the x is the variable. So we will now go to like terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variables, including the exponents that go with those variables. These variables can be in different orders and have different coefficients, but they all need to be there. So example of like terms are 3xy and negative 5xy. These are considered as like terms because they have the same variables x, y. Another example is negative 2m squared xz and 4m squared zx. So these terms are also like terms since they have the same variables and exponents, just in different order. If there is more than one term separated by plus or minus signs, then we have an algebraic expression. An example is 5x squared y minus 3xy plus 5. So this expression has three terms: the 5x squared y, the negative 3xy, and the 5. Expressions are made up of variables or letters that takes the place of unknown numbers. But what if we know the numbers? We can take out variable, replace it with number, and do the math. This is called evaluating an expression. So example, we have 3x plus 1 and the value of x is 10. So this expression means 3 times whatever x is plus 1. So we rewrite the expression replacing x with 10 in parentheses. So 3x plus 1, x replaced with 10, plus 1. 3 times 10 equals 30, added to 1, and this sums up to 31. Sample problem. Evaluate 4xy plus 3x if x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 5. We take out all the variables and put in the numbers in parentheses. So we are going to replace x with 8 and swap out y with 5. X replaced with 8 and y replaced with 5 plus 3 times 8. So 4 times 8 equals to 32 times 5 equals 160 plus 3 times 8, which is 24, and that sums up to 184. Combining like terms. When adding or subtracting like terms, all we really need to do is to combine all the coefficients. Example number 1, we have here 3x minus 9x. So we will subtract 9x from 3, and that is negative 6, so negative 6x. Example number 2, we have 2y plus 5x minus 8y. Combine the like terms, the 2y and the negative 8y. So 2y minus 8y equals negative 6y. So this expression simplifies to negative 6y plus 5x. This expression can also be 5x minus 6y. Example number 3, 4x plus 3y plus x minus 7y minus 3. So this expression has 5 terms: to have an x variable, to have a y variable, and one constant number, which is 3. So let's take a peek at those x terms first, the 4x and the x. So we will add the two, 4x plus x, which there is an imaginary 1 on the x, and that results to 5x. Then the terms with y variables, 3y and negative 7y. So we will use minus sign since it is negative 7y. So 3y minus 7y results to negative 4y. Since there's only one constant, negative 3 doesn't get to combine with anything else. Constants often play solo. With everything combined, we've got the simplified expression 5x minus 4y minus 3.